Good morning, students. Welcome to the next lecture of Value Education. In the last class, we had learned about how self-discipline and control in ourselves is very important to become a better human being. That is in the first chapter, Watching Yourself. Now we have already done with the reading, explanation and the writing part, that are the question and answers of chapter number 1. Today we'll be starting with the new chapter, the second chapter, being punctual. Now in this chapter we learn about one more moral value which is very important in our life that we should inculcate. So let us begin with the second chapter, being punctual. Let's listen. Your class is going for a picnic. Almost everyone has boarded the bus. 3 children are missing. Waiting for them is making everyone late. This means that the class will not get enough time at the zoo. All the children are angry with the latecomers. What do you think they told them? There are many things we want to do every day, but there is not enough time to do all of them. So, we have to do the most important things first. If we don't keep to time, everything we do will get delayed. If we do not plan our time well, we will be late for something. When we are late, we keep others waiting. When we plan our time well and keep to it, we are being punctual. So students, from Let's Listen, what do we learn? That we should always be on time. We should always be punctual and we should keep priority. We should always do the most important things first, because that is what will help us to be on time with whatever work we are doing. Now let's move further and see about the chapter. Let's read. Let's read. A time for everything. Ajay was good at both sports and studies. He was pleasant and well-mannered. So, over here in this chapter, the boy whose name is Ajay is very good in studies as well as in sports. He was also very well-mannered and disciplined. He took part in all the extracurricular activities. His teachers and friends admired his talent. But there was one thing no one liked about him. So, his teachers and friends, they admired his good things, all the things he was good at. But there was one thing about Ajay that no one liked. What was that? He was always late for everything. Now he was good at everything, but still there was one thing that was not good about him. And what was that? That he was always late for everything, for all the work that he did. He often woke up late, missed his school bus and was late for school. He rarely finished his work on time. So, he reached the school late. Then he also never finished, he very rarely finished his work on time. Ajay's parents were tired of telling him how important it was to be punctual. So, his father decided to teach him a lesson in punctuality. Now, even our parents, when we are not good at something, our parents also tell and ask us, they advise us to improve so that we are not lacking behind in anything. In the same way, Ajay's parents, they were also tired of telling Ajay again and again that how important it was to be punctual. So what his father did? He decided that he will teach Ajay a lesson on punctuality. So, let us see what happened further. One evening, Ajay was very excited because the school junior cricket team was going to be selected the next day. Set your alarm clock, Ajay, his father told him. I am not going to wake you up tomorrow. So, what happens? One evening, Ajay, he was very happy and excited. Why he was excited? Because the next day, the next morning, the school's junior cricket team was going to be selected. So, what Ajay's father did? He told Ajay that you keep your alarm clock, you set your alarm clock because I will not wake you up tomorrow. Ajay confidently told his father that he would get up well in time. So Ajay told that, okay, no, fine. I am confident that I will wake up early tomorrow and go in time to school. But what happens? Let us see. Next day, the alarm rang in the morning. Ajay turned it off and went back to sleep. When he woke up, he knew he was late. He rushed through his bath, got dressed and ran to the bus stop. But the bus had left without him. So what happened? He was very confident that no, I will wake up. But what happened in the morning when the alarm rang? At that time, Ajay turned it off and again he went back to sleep. So when he woke up, he knew that now I am late. What will I do? He rushed anyhow, quickly. Rushed means to do all the work very quickly. When we are late, how we are rushing, how we are running and doing our work. In the same way, Ajay also started doing all his things. Bathing, getting dressed, everything. And then he ran to the bus stop. But the bus had already left without him because he was late. So he reached his school late and found that the cricket team had already been chosen. Now, in the beginning, we had seen that Ajay was very good in sports. So he was very excited and he thought that he will get selected. But what happened? Because of just one bad habit of Ajay, that is not being punctual, he had to suffer. He was not selected in the cricket team. That made him sad. He had missed being selected. All because of that, all because he was not punctual. And see, he was good at everything. But just because of one bad habit, that is not being on time, not being punctual, he missed being chosen as in the cricket team. So students, from this chapter, what do we learn? We learn that we should never be late to anything and we should always be punctual. We should always be on time and we should always do our work on time. Because of that, we will never miss any of our opportunities or any of our chances. So this is the moral of the story, that we should always be punctual and on time. So now students, what you all have to do? You will read the chapter and you will see the video to understand the chapter properly. And then in the next class, I'll be sharing with you all the question and answers. Okay, students? I will see you in the next class.